I believe na yung traditions and good works, like mayroon kaming practices ng sacraments, ganyan, will draw me closer to Jesus. So, in spite na I'm doing all the religious activities, I still feel the emptiness and even yung tiredness talaga of doing those things. Nung first ko narinig yung gospel in the youth service or anniversary, which I was invited to, I've learned there in one of the sessions that I cannot save myself because I'm a sinner, and only Jesus is the only way that I can be saved from my sins. I accepted Jesus, but also yung naging reaction ng parents ko after they know na nagsistart na ako na punta sa church, ganyan, mag-attend, is that, ano yan, magko-convert ka ba ng ibang religion? Parang huwag kang sasama, ganyan. Naging part ako ng discipleship group and also attended True Life Retreat. I shared the gospel also to my family and invited them to CCF. Though they're not yet Christians, but they have accepted my faith, and also I continue to reach out and pray for them. I decided to be a full-time campus missionary because of my burden in the campuses, since I was also reached out as a student in the campus. So it became my burden na to also reach out to the students. So I started to disciple young ladies and also reach out to the campuses. And after several years, I became a full-time staff in Elevate as an admin, and yeah, I'm a part now of the leadership development team. For those people that also struggling na pursuing yung calling against really just doing yung mga nakasanayan lang, I really encourage you to just seek the Lord and ask for strength, because He will be the one to give you the answers to your questions, and also that He will give you the strength to really take courage to pursue yung calling na binigay sa inyo ni God.